Well, what was supposed to be an intro is now an outro. Got a little bit of footage for you with the new Baja ripping e-blue tire. So it's done. We're gonna head back now. I put cardboard for fenders. They seem to be working quite well.
Your back's dry.
What's that?
Your back is dry.
Yeah.
Mine dry? Probably not.
You got a little bit of snow. And couldn't find the bolts for the clutch cover, so not too many places to really zip tie it. So we got one zip tie and some duct tape on the back. But it's kind of like an oh well. Other than that, she's ripping real nice. So he's got a new tire on order, so hopefully by maybe next week we'll have another video. Us romping in the snow a little better. We're in a pit right now. It blew like halfway through our ride, just after we got off the road, basically. Why?
What?
What'd you do?
Well, I had to tube it.
Oh, fuck.
It was sketchy as fuck. So I went home and ordered a tire when I put the tube in because I didn't think it was going to hold.
Damn it.
Yeah. Yeah. I can tell.
Bad?
It's bogging me down pretty hard.
Yeah.
It fucking sucks. I don't want to stop, though.
I know. We're just about on the trail.
But, like, you're cruising hard.
I can slow down.
I can't even cruise.
No, eh?
Not like you.
She's romping.
Well, we'll get her to the trail. Because you got a time lag. That is terrible.
Fuck, this sucks, man. This sucks so much.
Oh yeah, I'm fucked. It really does suck. It's fucking me hard.
Yeah.